right, so today we're gonna show you a fairly new machine here. Pretty much new. We're gonna do a tune-up on it, clean it up. I have this cool bristle, and I have a little rag. This has a swivel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a rag here. I'm gonna show you how to clean a gutter machine. I got some electrical tape. So we're gonna roll it up. I'm gonna create like a little handle because I don't want to be putting my hands or feet inside the machine. Okay, so just like that, we have our wand. Now what I like to do is I'm gonna remove the guillotine so I can get access. I remove the bolts, so it's gonna be up and out. Now this machine is about a year old, or 2024, I should say. So, but it's been barely used. You see these rolls right here? They're dark black, but fairly new. So I already lubricated the machine. So lubricate the machine first. I lubricated all the chains. Listen how this machine works. Listen, ready? See how quiet? No jumping. That's phenomenal. So now we're gonna pour acid right here. Acetone. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna make sure the rollers are spinning in the correct direction so that the wand doesn't get sucked in. And you see that? That's the beauty right there. So this one is the easiest one to clean. We're gonna turn the machine off. The next step, if you look in here, we're gonna push this wand between these rollers here, right there. Now we're gonna do hands-free, right there. See, it's cleaning itself. See that wand in there? We're not gonna touch it. We're not gonna put our hands in there until we turn it off. Okay, I'm gonna turn the machine off. And only after everything stops, we're gonna reach in gently and pull it out. And you see all that? Okay, next roller. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 stations. We're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna push this in here. And the bristle is nice because it's flexible. So right there. Right there. Now we're gonna turn it on. And we're gonna let it do its thing. It's self-cleaning. That's the amazing part. You never wanna do anything inside the machine with the cap covers off. Make sure you unplug it. I'm gonna give it 15, 20 seconds. And we have one more. And we're almost done. So I'm gonna pull it out. So some more. Now remember, we started off with a clean wand. Yeah, last one. Check this out. See how I'm just pushing that in there right there? Right there. I got it wedged in there. And here we go. If you put it in reverse, it's gonna get sucked in. You might damage the machine, so make sure it's spinning into the rag, so the rag doesn't get sucked in. All right, we cleaned the machine. So what I like to do after that is go through and just kind of see how the machine gets cleaned, all this dust. Look at this. I just go through and clean the machine. Right here, look inside, see? Make it like new again. Maintenance, maintenance, maintenance. So right here, I'm just cleaning the machine. That's all I'm doing. So this is gonna be like new condition. Well, it is new. And I already lubricated all the chains, so we're good there. I just like to wipe everything down. Kind of go through. Also, what I want to do is check the chains. Look at this right here. You want to make sure they're perfect. No saggies. And this machine is perfect. Awesome. Okay. So there you have it. We just did a maintenance. Oh, check this out. I'm gonna clean this a little bit while I'm up. There we go. And that's the end result. And we have a clean machine ready to roll.